All right, so our ribbon has been sitting in the dye all day, lukewarm room temperature. Let's pour it off and see what we've got. It does have some color to it. Let's get it rinsed off in cool water and see if it's got a nice color to it. Well, this doesn't look half bad. It's got kind of a light red, almost pink color to it. So I'm gonna go get this dried off, spool it up, and put it through the pultruder. See what kind of colored filament it makes. And here's the results of my test. So there was the kind of orange color from the red Sharpie, what I was trying to solve. These are the ones I did yesterday in the red with the very, very hot dye. And this was in the red today with the room temperature dye. So they still did come out red, just not quite as red as these. So you can definitely see that it helps to have the dye boiling or near boiling. But I can use that jar of dye over and over again. So that's great. I'm loving these results.